So we welcome the ANC team over here and really just kind of open the doors for collaboration and talking a little bit about some of their responsibilities over at ANC, and then talk a little bit about our responsibilities out here as well. You know, with the amount of visitors that they have there walking through their property, I mean, there's so much focus out there, and obviously people are going over there to pay their respect. You can't help but notice just how pristine and beautiful the property is. You know, and that's really what we're going for here as well for all the visitors and guests and fans that come into to the gates here at the ballpark is, you know, we want them to have that same feedback and that same first impression. So, you know, again, the property over there is just, it's so meticulous and it's gorgeous out there. You know, very unique piece of property here, very unique piece of property over there. So it's been great to kind of open up that channel of communication with the folks over there. I know every time that I visited over there, it's, you know, it definitely hits home.
So we took a wonderful tour here of National Park, and it was pretty amazing to see it from this perspective. I am a baseball fan, so it's my first time on a professional field, so that was really kind of very cool for me. And certainly completely night and day from certainly what we do at Arlington National Cemetery. So it was really interesting to get a perspective of a completely different type of turf and grounds management. I think what surprised me was just standing on it, looking at it, and seeing how perfectly uniform it is. The turf grass, it looks fake even close up, so that was quite amazing. And I think just the management program that goes into the turf, because again, it's like where we are, it's much more of a natural kind of setting, and then this is obviously highly managed and visible, you know, for both the in-stadium and TV audience. So that was a real interesting contrast. Certainly where we are, you know, we're known as our nation's most sacred shrine, and it's a very solemn place of deep respect and gratitude for our veterans and the fallen. So it's really wonderful that when an organization like Nationals, you know, really supports our military folks.